Cheap cars can look like a bargain, but in a crash, they often reveal the real price. Today, we're testing some of the cheapest Chinese cars ever crash tested. And the results are shocking. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. First up, the Landwind X6 from 2005. A rugged-looking SUV priced around $10,000 to $15,000. In the German ADAC crash test, it scored a brutal 0 stars. The cabin crumpled like a soda can with doors flying off and the structure collapsing completely. Total disaster for passenger safety. Next, the Brilliance BS6 sedan from 2007, going for about $15,000 to $20,000. Euro NCAP gave it just 1 star, basically 0 in real terms. The A-pillar folded like paper and the dummy's head slammed into the dashboard. Gruesome proof of weak engineering. Then there's the Chery Amulet or A15, a compact sedan at $8,000 to $12,000. It flunked tests in Russia and Europe with abysmal passenger protection scores. Airbags barely worked, and the body deformed massively, risking fatal injuries. Don't forget the Geely CK, known as Otaka, from 2007. Super cheap at $7,000 to $10,000. Global NCAP style tests showed a fragile structure that caved in, with high trauma risks to heads and chests. The saloon twisted into oblivion on impact. Jumping to 2020, the Great Wall Steed 5 pickup, priced $15,000 to $20,000. Global NCAP handed it 0 stars, no airbags at all. The dummy rocketed forward as the cab imploded, a pickup turned pile of scrap in seconds. Fast forward to 2025. The Dongfeng Box, an affordable electric vehicle around $25,000 to $30,000 in Europe. Euro NCAP rated it 3 stars, but welds failed and doors jammed shut. The body scattered like confetti in a frontal smash. Shocking for a modern electric. In 2024, the Changan Qiyuan A05 budget sedan, $10,000 to $15,000. Chinese tests ranked it dead last among 30 models, bombing frontal and rear crashes with minimal protection. Deformation was extreme, endangering everyone inside. Finally, the Wuling Bingo from 2024, a mini electric vehicle at $8,000 to $12,000. Chinese evaluations exposed weak rear impact performance. The tiny frame buckled badly, highlighting risks in everyday bumps. Whew! These tests show how far Chinese cars have come, from early death traps to today's safer models like BYD and Geely. But these budget bombs remind us, cheap can be deadly. What do you think? Would you drive one? Drop a comment below. If this video blew your mind, subscribe now for more crash test chaos. Like and share with your gearhead friends.